County Road 306. 4 length of the County Futama County line in the north to KUCO County line in the south. All areas west to the Mendocino County line. All people in the city immediately. A temporary evacuation point has been established at Willows Memorial Hall for shelter assistance. Animals in need of shelter should be taken to Glenn County, the Mendocino County line. All people in this area should evacuate immediately. A temporary evacuation point has been established at Willows Memorial Hall for shelter assistance.
Rapping there's no...
When they're
in September.
Okay, I need to put that down.
Did that police arrest anybody? No. Did you get it?
Shut up. Damn, you know, this is serious when you see stuff like that.
Established at Willows Memorial Hall for shelter assistance. Animals in need of shelter should be taken to Glenn County Fairgrounds in Orland. This order supersedes any previous warnings for this area. The civil authorities have issued an immediate evacuation for Lake CA, beginning at 2:08 p.m. and ending at 3:08 p.m. Evacuation order is in effect for all residents living in and around Hidden Valley Lake and Jerusalem Valley areas of Lake County due to a wildland fire. Leave the area immediately.
Very sensitive.
High School and contact a deputy.
This is advisory only. Been issued for Layport Road from Thompson Creek Road to Highway 70. This is advisory only. Advisory evacuation notice has been issued for Layport Road from Thompson Creek Road to Highway 70. This is advisory only.
The civil authorities have issued an immediate evacuation for Lake CA, beginning at 9:42 p.m. and ending at 10:42 p.m. Evacuation order is in effect for areas south of Butts Canyon Road and east of Highway 29 due to a wildland fire.